Western Fields, not many people know. Isan restaurant. Acadia bar, left side. Acadia.
45,000.
45,000. Okay. 2,100. For 45,000 for 1 month. Same in Kandy. Minimum one. 75. Atlantis. Club Atlantis. Only one girl sit out. In the back. In the back I now only power bank. For sale, but still working. Still working now. Two Brothers Canteen. Two Brothers Canteen. Also karaoke. Hi everyone. Today Friday, December 26th, and now I'm in the Angeles city in Balibago. I walk from Mabalacat to Angeles. Only walk, because 2 days before I not go outside, so heavy traffic before. And today I will show to you Balibago. I walk around Balibago only. It's a jeepney station, jeepney stop. This way to Mabalacat. Already heavy traffic right now. And now I will go to the Balibago. Fields Avenue walking street also. First working day. Some of people going from the work. Street foods always here. Fry. Western Hills, not many people know. Maybe later. I don't know. Bunny bar open. Penguin Club close. We are closed on December 24, 25 for Christmas. Open 26, but already 26 still closed. The same. Isan restaurant. Isan restaurant open. I think it's full of people. I will check. Yeah, waiting area here. If waiting area, it means don't have tables available. Yeah, not available tables. Yes. People waiting, it means don't have tables available. Time now 5:15 p.m. Oh, change already bar. A bar above. Take a look, this is. They change already. Not Dragon Bar, Club Asia for rent. And this one is a bar above Angeles. So it's already different owner maybe. Close. Arabic and Indian. Empty. Before Abeski, now Blue Whiskey bar. Blue Whiskey already change name. So take a look. Most of the bar the same, only they change the name. And same people working inside.
제가 그 샤샤
Massage closed already maybe 1 month. Resta bar closed. Acadia bar left side. Acadia before I don't know name. Always change name. Amsterdam. Room rate starting 2,100. It's okay. It's a room rate from 2,100?
2,100.
Economy. Okay. Do you have rates for 1 month?
1 month?
1 month. Don't have? Rates for 1 month?
Yeah.
Also?
You want to-
Yes, can I see?
1 month daw. Kung titignan niya kung magkano.
Good evening. Excuse me, economy, how much rent for 1 month? Monthly rent, yes.
45,000.
45,000, okay. 4 nights, 10%. One night up. 20% discount. It's already 45,000 already including discount. Already with discount. It's total price. Economy room. This one economy 2-1. Economy deluxe 2-6. Okay, panorama. Okay, next time I will come back and I want to take video inside the room. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas too. $2,100 for 45,000 for 1 month. Same in Kandy. Cheapest room. 45,000 peso. I think it's good if location. I think location is in the center of Walking Street. Someone want to buy pizza. Pizza. Slice pizza. This is pizza. Minimum 175. 175. Oh, 165 also have. Pizza. Dollhouse still closed, don't have, not open. Maybe before, after New Year maybe will open. Under renovation. How much dollar now? 58.45. 58.45. I will ask euro how much. Excuse me, euro, how much euro? Euro. Ага, 68.30. Okay, thank you. 68.30. Euro. Atlantis. Club Atlantis. Only one girl sit outside. Oh, many people. Empty, empty. First working day. Hammer, night club, mega dance. Hammer Весток кафе. Someone sit only outside. Inside don't have people. Phyllis always busy. People sit, they waiting freelancer outside. Usually they sit. Western people. But now freelancers not allowed to stand in front of a Phyllis. I already asking. Not allowed. Barangay police always check. So later maybe freelancers walk here, walk around Phyllis or another side. Maybe another side they stand. Maybe this area, maybe. Chicken house, Bats, chicken house. Chicken 370 peso, slice 200 and half. No, 370, I think, little bit expensive. For walking street, I think. For walking street is okay. Rent expensive. This bar open from already now open from 4 p.m.
Ayun, yung nakaitem? Yung nakaitem? Suot. Kasi, bibili.
This is for rent.
Ay, wala ka magkakawate.
Kimchi restaurant. Kimchi. Have people inside. Have. But so few, very few people.
Ay, hindi pala ako.
I talking with our subscriber. He asking to filming and Madison Crown Hotel, but I said I already filming and today you can watch in the video. I already upload to members. Dimple Bar and restaurant also. I take my jacket because I walk from Mabalakat. Don't have car here. That's why later I will take jacket. Nighttime sometimes a little bit cold. For me. For you maybe not. 7-Eleven. I see many our subscribers. They say hi. But I don't like walking street really. Walking street for me is I don't know. When I walking street, it's, I see people, haters. Korean, near cosplay. He always say bad words in Korean language. I don't know, he understand or not. The Korean people, also good people, watch our channel. And he said bad words. One of Korean sent me message. He said, don't worry about it. It's poor people who like this do it. Korean people not do it like this. They shy to say like these words. I understand. I have friends from Korea. I have studied before in China, and in our group have Korean people, very nice persons. We party sometimes together. That's why not about nationality. Every nationality have bad persons. So many good people also. Here 5810. 5810, okay. We'll prepare for New Year, decoration. New Year is so noisy in New Year. I know, even in our place also. Always noisy. I will show to you in the video. Okay, I walk to Tiger Hotel first. Tiger Hotel. And show to you this is street foods. Yes, many street foods, but empty, don't have people. Street foods is okay, but fry. This is medicine. You can buy. It's pharmacy. You can buy something. If you don't have prescription, you can buy here. They not ask even antibiotic. You can buy here. No, we can ask you a prescription, but if you say I don't have or give prescription in a different language, we sell for you. It's already I many times before buy, no problem. But please not drink antibiotic if you if you don't know help you not. You need to consultation with the doctor first. So many vegetables here. Fresh meat also. Chicken star. Inside open or not. Barber shop open. Yeah, barber shop open today. Haircut. Okay. If open is good. Same 100 peso in our barangay. No, in our barangay before 50 peso, now 80 peso. But I usually give 100 peso. $100 is good. And so many people always. It's very close from our home. Oh, Korean. It's already Korean grill also close. You see. Work maybe, I don't know, 1 month work and stop. After 1 month stop. Or safe. It's not safe, it's popular really. You already said this price is cheaper than in other places. And not so many people can say it good. Every kind. Space for party. It's a Tiger Hotel. Good hotel, I like. I like this hotel. Old, but it's okay for me, it's good. Diagnostic. Dental service also. Dental clinic. Today don't have so many street food strikers. Usually strike here park with street food so many. But now very few, only two. Three tricycle only. Another pharmacy. Guys, if you want to exchange money, I recommend it here. Lulier. This is, I don't know how to say it correctly, but very good. Sometimes here rates it's more better, and if you want to more, I recommend it here. It's safety, security also have, not outside. No, up to you if you want a small amount anywhere. Small amount anywhere, no problem to rates. Soon already dark. And this is 69 Rock Rooftop Bar. Never been inside, but people say it is good.
Hey, what up, man? How you been? Been doing good?
Yes, good, thank
Be
you.
safe out there, man.
Thank you, thank you. thank you. Yeah, have good people. Many subscribers I see today.
Marami na. Isa-isa natin.
Here also you can exchange dollar. Also here better. Gcash also. You can exchange dollar and load Gcash also. It's good. And you not need to hold your cash. You just only load Gcash. And your money is safety. Not need to just only hold your mobile phone for safety. Because it's important. If you lost phone, you lost also SIM card with Gcash. And you need to renew your SIM card or Smart or Globe. Maybe you remember before I also someone snatched my bag with mobile phone cards. I need 2 days for recover all information in mobile phone. 2 days. I not lost money from accounts. It's okay because my phone is safety. Always I have iCloud. I upload iCloud always. So all information safe. But now I already not put my phone in the bag. In the bag I now only power bank. Only power bank. No, maybe tissue sometimes I put. Something not important. But mobile phone, car key, I hide in my clothes. Bar, French Thai bistro. Already near ABC Hotel. And also have bank ATM, security bank also, ATM inside, yeah, in front of lobby. Brass Knot Hotel and bar. For sale, but still working. Still working now. And this Thai also this is for sale. And restaurant also. Brass Knot. Coffee shop Milanos. Sorry, we are close. Albasio restaurant. Italian restaurant. Open today. Open. What about Thai restaurant? I will check. Fragrant restaurant. Today Friday. Friday usually open. And working day. No. Thai restaurant is closed. And don't have any information. Just close. Have, sorry. Will be closed on December 23. January 1, January 2 only, 3. January 3 open only, Saturday. So long time holidays. Long time holidays. No, thank you. Not need. dark. But I use camera DJI Action 6 night mode. I don't know about quality. What is this? Two Brothers Canteen. Two Brothers Canteen. Also karaoke. And massage also. Massage. Okay. I will show to you in the mirror how I put camera. Take a look, this is my camera. It's here. Cheers bar, it's new bar. Cheers. Cheers bar. Available drinks. And vape shop also there. I want to check hotel. It's before it's Hotel America. I want to see. Mirror doors. Emotion bar also here. Perimeter Hotel and Emotion bar.